What's up, guys? It is day 4 of the Cozumel series. Today, same old, going diving, hoping to see some cool stuff. Heading back to the room now. Gotta get a few things before we go to the boat, but I've already had breakfast. Toast, cantaloupe, mango juice, the usual, and hoping for another really good dive today. I don't really bring my phone on the boat, so I'm either using the GoPro or we'll just cut to the clip where I'm in the water. So I'll see you when we're on the boat or in the water. So, got done with the first dive, and the boat's right there, and park the boat over there, and we're at this paradise beach. There's an obstacle course. I'm going to try to go to that top one over there, and I'm going to just jump off of it. That's the plan. So, let's go. Woo! Got to jump from up here. It's a bit shaky. Alright, I'm jumping it now. 3, 2, 1. Woo! From up there. That was high. Alright, let's go back. Alright, so we're walking back. I think I started a trend. Everyone's up there now. There's like 4 people up there. That's what I do. Just kidding. But at the very top one, it's hard to put your feet. So the second highest one was easier. That's why I jumped from there. But let's go dive now. Alright guys, so we're back from diving now. Some decent dives today, and it's lunchtime. So Pop-Up's over here making some turkey and ham sandwiches. So yeah, we're gonna be taking some hummingbird pictures, try to get them like as they're flying. So right here's the hummingbird setup. Got the camera, this little remote right here. If you click this button, it'll take a picture. It needs to get in the perfect spot for the photo to be in focus. So I'll pop up a few of those pictures when I'm done. All right, so heading to dinner now. Going to Paprika. Hopefully it's open this time. And like I said before, we're probably gonna get the fish burger. So we'll see you there. So this is my food. Look at this thing. Compared to my hand, this is huge. This is my hand. Oh my goodness. French fries, fish burger. Got some fish here. Mango.
Mango chutney.
Mango chicken.
Chutney.
Chutney. Oh, I thought you said mango chicken. But it's fish. Mahi. And I got this absolute giant burger. So, as you can see here, this is pretty big. Let's try it.
Yeah.
Very good. You can really taste the fish, the crunchiness. They have a sauce in here too. I think it's tartar sauce. Pretty good. Thumbs up for me. And just like that, the burger is done. I'm so full right now. I ate so much. But it's gonna do it for today. Hope you enjoyed this hummingbird pictures and the diving videos. See you in that next one. Peace.